Got those types of,
Chris.
so I can breathe underwater.
He knows the water. Look.
And I can just
Chris.
You can get us some crabs if you want. Whoa.
Do you like it?
Well, I don't actually have that, but
You miss Brian?
visible.
Oh, my love.
Oh.
You need a
Didn't get any.
Never burned. He's like, what'd you say?
Why does he keep going?
He's
I taught him that.
fighting mode.
Really?
This is
Sounds
my
like
cat's
that.
hissing.
Chris.
This is my cat hissing. This is my cat's hissing.
Musto? You excited?
Did you say words yet?
Why?
Say, I say mama.
You don't like Lake Tahoe?
Say hi.
Well, you dress like you're ready.
I am.
Let me see. Oh, you both dress like you're ready. We are in Tahoe. That's gonna be in this vlog. We came to Tahoe. Partners?
What up?
What's good, Chris? You like it out here?
I hope it's Linda. Yes. I found pretty color red. Look at that. One dot.
Where are you, Chris? Where are we? We're in Lake Tahoe. This is your first time. This is baby's first trip to Tahoe.
Look, we're gonna
Hi.
go to another place. Come on.
We're in Tahoe. Hey, the last time we all came was Reno, right? We went to the GSR. That was nice. Here,
A
Melinda.
rock.
This is, what is this?
A rock.
You got a rock. Melinda has a nice rock. This is cool. Hey, you just left? You gotta talk about the rock.
The rock is my rock.
What do you like about it?
Tell them some facts about it.
Some facts.
Tell
Details?
some facts.
What about the smoothness?
Oh, it's very smooth.
You like that?
Yeah.
Did they find rocks too, these guys?
Look,
Yeah.
fossil.
Look at the bag.
Check it out.
Look at the green ones in here.
Saber-tooth tiger
Oh,
tooth.
nice. Watch out. Okay, so we made it to our first destination at Zaz Lakefront Lodge. Oh yeah.
So you can come this way.
It's a place.
Zaz. Is it Zaz?
Zaz.
Lakefront?
Zaz? Oh, he dropped his cat.
Zaz?
Zaz.
Maybe.
Hi, Chris. This is your first restaurant in Lake Tahoe. His first restaurant.
Hi. You did it. I found a spot that was.
Sid's Bagel. So, what does it taste like?
Bro, it tastes disgusting.
Dude.
It's not sweet at all.
The food and drinks out here are garbage.
It's not garbage. It's not.
Pretty garbage.
It's not sweet at all. It's like,
sugar there
The
Yeah, I
pizza
got
was
extra.
god awful. The wings were awful.
this is disgusting.
They came with coffee.
It was sweet at first and then just, I don't know what happened. See, look.
We're with some,
Oh.
we're with some food critics out here.
Add some what? What is it called? What is it called?
Go get a packet of sugar too from
Uh-huh.
the back and just mix it in. Put more of the pumpkin flavor.
Pumpkin spice?
Yeah.
Wait, they have pumpkin spice in
It's not
July?
the powder, it's the syrup.
Oh.
So it's not the same.
In July? Pumpkin
Yeah.
spice?
We didn't know what to get.
What'd you get?
White mocha. Real good.
So how's you guys' experience so far?
Boring. Boring. Boring.
I'm not over there. I'm up here.
Boring.
You guys don't like Lake Tahoe or what?
I do like Lake Tahoe.
I want to go swimming.
Yeah,
Swimming,
now.
Where did you think there was a pool at?
Oh, we're gonna get it
Here.
on the lake.
Oh.
I thought we were gonna swim in it.
Oh, you thought so too? Why didn't you jump in?
Oh, we didn't! We couldn't.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
We just got to some nude beach, just chilling. 15 minutes to walk down to get down to the damn beach. Check it out. That's where we're at right now. Look at this scenery. There's the water way back there, the beach. You see that? And yeah, it's pretty cool. Just take a piss in this area as well right now. I have to go when nature calls. You know that, guys? You know that? But yeah, we got a long walk down and a long walk up, so let's see what's up. And we got the posse right there up ahead. So yeah. Oh, supposedly this is a nude beach, so there might be some nudists as well. Let's check it out. So remember when I said this might be a nude beach, guys? Well, check the sign out. Clothing optional, may be present on beaches below. So yeah, I think it's a nude. I think we're at a nude beach.
Like naked stuff, really? You're disgusting, dude.
So we were at this beach with the clothing optional, and Joe got a little excited seeing all these dudes.
No.
He got
No
hella
way.
excited seeing the dudes.
Bro, this is the gayest beach I've ever been to. There's naked
Hold on,
guys
you guys wait a
everywhere.
minute. He's like, you guys just
he
wait a minute.
spotted all of them.
It's not. It's easy. You just look and you can see someone's like obviously naked.
He said,
Come
I
on.
can't walk right now.
Give me the
Hold
camera.
on.
Let me see. I'm about to spot all of them for you guys right now. Ready? All right. Joke. You see, there's one. Oh, I don't know. You can't zoom in with this, can you? There's one all the way over there on that side. There's one right there under there.
Oh, right here, look.
Absolutely no peeking,
And there's
staring,
one-
leering, or outright.
What does this mean? Voyeurism? Prohibited? What is that?
I'm assuming it's peeking, staring, and leering.
Oh, that's what he's doing.
I know, he's zooming.
Bro, they're all naked. What do you like? That's weird.
That's
Why
what he's
is he
doing.
gonna
He's
play?
doing what this is against, what that prohibited is. Let's go. You,
Thing is not,
Rami would definitely. If there was Rami was here, he would be like, hell nah.
bro, how are we gonna take the stroller back up?
That's what
Hey.
we're talking about.
They want to stay here till night. Are you guys staying till
Oh.
night?
tonight.
They want to see the sunset.
Here?
Yeah,
Where's the sun? The sun's that way, not this way.
that's what Miriam said. She wants to stay here till night.
Baby, what's your number? I wanna go under. Making you a memory, that's really all I need.
So we just checked in the hotel and showered. Crazy day, and we just got out of the room. About to meet up with everybody, and we're at a gift shop right now. And we're about to go eat. Was it? Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna get one of these. It's Christopher's first morning at a hotel. Hi. Hi.
Yay! Bravo! Bravo, Chris.
Chris, what do you have to say?
Bravo.
Yay! Clap. No? You tired?
He's chilling.
Good morning. Yay! Good job. Yay! Clap. Chris, hi, where are you? Where are you today? It's your first vacation? Check it out. Where are we? Little shopping areas in Lake Tahoe. You having fun? Whoa.
Look at this tiny little lime. Look at this. Ew.
We're on the hunt for a souvenir.
I'm gonna get this.
Yeah.
I want a deer. Ooh, you want bamboo? You want Bambi?
Mama, you should pick one of those little bear things because that's more Tahoe related. This is not. So you gotta get something that's from here. That
No, I
signifies
don't
here.
have to.
Remember that bear, Melinda? We took a picture in front of it before. Oh, Mikey.
Hello, I remember you. Oh, he's smelly though. Smell him?
Nothing like Mikey, huh? How you guys doing, okay? Everybody doing good?
This is Christmas.
Okay, let's go to that section.
Yes, perfect. I'm getting karate. Wait, Melinda, follow me.
Come on,
Melinda, something happened.
let's go on this side. Come on, Mister.
Fine.
Let me see.
I'm gonna buy
Oh,
something.
there's more?
I'm gonna buy something.
Okay, we'll find something then. You're tired. Oh,
Turn it down now, Mama. I can't.
Mama.
It's going too fast.
Okay, I'm gonna take it away then.
It's much fun.
We're here in Tahoe. That's Tahoe Ski Resort lift right up there.
Okay, never mind.
And I'm just chilling in the car. So in winter time, all that is snow.
That's not
Have you seen in my previous vlogs? Huh. Hi, Chris. This is his first Tahoe, or his first trip ever.
Bro.
Yay!
So easy. After this, can I have my phone back? How did I die?
Give him his phone.
Huh? Wait, there's me too. I. That's me too. Can I try? What needs to unlock? Oh, why didn't you unlock it?
No.
Because I don't want it. I don't want it. Well, there's no internet.
No.
You want to try hard? His arms are too weak to climb. I got a flamingo lollipop. I got a koala lollipop.
Nice. You guys like this area?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi, Chris. Hi. You like it here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're gonna touch the camera. You happy now? Whoa, 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 no. Whoa. Don't touch the camera. You dropped your ball, Chris. You dropped your ball. You dropped it. Yes, you did. Rough. Ada. 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 Yes, ada. No. Stop it. Stop it. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera.
He loves it. Aww. You're so cute.
Don't touch that. 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 Ada. Ada. Don't touch that.